Okay, so the first thing you need to do is remove both of the OEM bolts. You'll be reusing these. I would make sure that the bottom of the bumper is clean. Go over it with an alcohol swab to make sure that any debris or grease is removed. I would then thread the hole with these screws. I chose to apply the tape like this. Tape is so low profile that, and underneath the bumper where you can't see it, you could actually go really close to the edge, maybe 1 millimeter away from the edge, and then just round off the edges. So at this point I would take off the backing on the tape. And when you apply the 3M tape, make sure that you press firmly on it before you take the backing off. This way you're going to get the best contact. Okay, so now that the backing is removed, just scoot under here. Careful not to stick it onto the bumper quite yet. Just let it rest on the tip. Exhaust tips is fine. You don't have to tighten it all the way. I want to have some room to work with the diffuser at this point. So make sure it's straight. And then all you have to do is, I would start at the middle and push up. And just work your way to the sides. And that's pretty much it. You will have to maybe come back and keep pushing this until it cures. I think that also you could even wad up a microfiber cloth and just kind of work it right into the corner there. That's the part that is most likely to peel back, so you can kind of create a little pressure there, and even leave it overnight like that. Now, applying this is better in warmer temperatures. If it's colder, it may not have as much tack, and that's pretty much it.